Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gelato ice cream at home, step by step. First, gather your high-quality ingredients like whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. Precision is key, so measure everything carefully. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl is completely frozen and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful gelato-making experience right from the start. Next, we'll create the rich gelato base. Combine your milk, cream, and sugar in a saucepan and heat gently until the sugar fully dissolves. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk mixture into the yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook, stirring, until the mixture reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit and thickens slightly. Once your base is cooked, it's crucial to chill it completely. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even overnight. This chilling process is vital for achieving the perfect gelato texture. After chilling, pour the cold base into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl and churn, according to the manufacturer's instructions, until it resembles a thick, soft serve consistency. Finally, transfer your freshly churned gelato into a shallow, airtight container. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals, then freeze for 2 to 4 hours. This allows the gelato to firm up to its ideal scoopable consistency. When ready, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before serving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, creamy gelato.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.